Alright guys, today me and Jakey are going to play in the pool in our backyard. Filled it up about a week ago, let it warm up as much as it could.
And we put some fishies.
We got some fishies and all his toys.
Go.
So I hope you guys have fun. Join along. Swimming around with us.
Yeah,
Here we go.
In the water. Just put it in there. I can't actually sit. I'm scared.
Ooh. It's cold, guys. Even after sitting in 90-degree weather today, it's cold.
Feels you walking.
It'll definitely cool you off though on a 90-degree day. Hey buddy, you wanted to get in, now play. That's what you wanted to do. You just gotta go for it. You just gotta dive in. Sink on in. Well, you're already almost there. The worst part's over. You just gotta do your back now.
I'm tough.
Yeah, be tough. Let's see. Just sit straight down on your butt. Just do it. I know, just do it. You can do it. I believe in you. This is the worst part. The hardest part is just getting in. Look, the GoPro's gonna get in. You guys like diving in like that?
It gets really cold like it's deep. It's super cold like it's deep.
Sun's behind the tree, so it's almost perfect.
I slick.
Yeah, but look, you're in. You did it. Jake did it, guys. He got in before I did. He's braver than me. It gets worse as you get older. When you're young, getting in the pool's easy, but when you're older, it bothers you a little bit more in the nether region, if you know what I mean.
Make way! It feels weird moving in water.
You made him take a deep breath. Here's all his sharks and boats.
I can stand with 2 hands to stand in here.
See all the fishies I bought him?
You put down the water.
Remember last year you were in this pool and you could barely stay above the water. Now you're all the way above the water sitting down. Last year you could barely stay above the water. Now you're all the way above it.
Gotcha.
Alright guys, should I just jump in?
No, don't do
Give me a thumbs up if you think so. And subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is the worst part. I hate it. I know how cold it's gonna be. I don't want to get cold, but it'll feel so good. Alright. Here goes nothing.
You just have to shake it and make it feel nice.
Shake it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold.
And it feels all better.
Alright, move all the toys over here. I'm just gonna fall in backwards. Move all the toys over here.
No.
All the toys, move them all over here.
Come on, fishies.
Alright, change of plan, guys. I forgot I had a sore back. I didn't want to just fall onto pure cement. So I'm just gonna do it. Sitting here like this.
Hey!
It's okay, I'm not falling in no more. Forgot Daddy has a sore back. Here goes nothing. He's already used to it, so it's easy for him. Oh, I'm not ready for this.
I'm not ready either.
You're already used to it.
No, I'm not ready to get splashed.
No. 1, 2, 3. It's cold. Not as cold as I thought it would be, though, but it's cold.
Well, you make big waves.
That's because I'm a big daddy.
I'm a T-Rex.
One more time. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O and bingo was his name. Oh. The worst part's the back after you get this part done.
Spider-Man.
You can see, I'm not all the way down yet. It's the back that sucks the most for me. I can do the nether region, but the back is another story.
At least it's all the way to my neck now.
Well, when I get in, it's going to reach over your head.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, don't do it. I don't want to get drowned. Oh, what is that? Not that bad. Oh, you're kind of gonna do that. Stop!
I can create some good waves.
It's pushing me. It's pushing me.
Gosh, I hate this part.
It's pushing me. Whoa. It pushes me around.
Whew.
Actually got to my mouth.
That's okay. It's clean, at least. Clean enough.
It's dirt right
We have chlorine in it, so.
There's a bug over there.
That's okay.
You okay?
Guys, I'm still
Come back.
only about chest deep. It's cold. Oh yeah, it's cold.
Gotcha.
Back in a second. Alright guys, I haven't moved from the spot I was in a couple minutes ago. This time I think I'm gonna try and go under. Jake, can you hold the camera right about? Alright guys, that was definitely cold, but I'm a little bit more used to it now. So now, Jake's gonna play. Enjoy.
Yeah, that's in the video now.
Now all of a sudden it's getting windy. The wind's making it cold out.
I just wondered why the pool gets cold all the time.
Because the water's cold because it comes out of the ground. Let's go for a swim. Swim in circles. Ready? The game we're gonna play is who can collect the most goldfish.
Oh!
There's 20 in here.
20?
Let's see what we're gonna do with our eyes closed.
Got it.
Alright.
1.
1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. I'm one so far.
Oh, I got 1.
Oh, maybe 2. Oh, 3.
3.
Goldfishes? Is that how you use a goldfish? Yeah, you're a goldfish.
Oh, what?
What's this? Oh, that's not a goldfish. That's a goldfish. Oh, that's a goldfish.
That's cool.
He's cheating, guys. He's drowning, but he's cheating.
5, I win.
There's 20. We still have to collect some more.
Oh, I can't think about that.
I don't have enough hands to carry 5 because my hands are...
I only got 6. That's awesome. That's all.
Can't find a good spot for the camera.
Oh, I got another one.
You guys leave some weight so I can squeeze in between something?
I win.
Maybe this will work.
I win, Daddy.
All right.
What's the one more I got? Get. Yeah.
What did you get?
I got almost all of them.
Oh, don't go in there. You lose your fish. I get to take them.
I got them like all of one.
All right. Let's count how many fishes we got.
I got a bunch.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means you got 10. That means we tied.
Did you?
Count yours.
1, 2,
Oh, there's the birth one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10. It's high.
There's.
All you think it is.
Well, guys, I had it in a terrible mode at first, so now you can actually see more of the pool.
You got feet. You got fish between your feet. You got fish between your feet.
So I do. How much did you swallow? Like a big swirl right above us. Looks kind of like a mothership. Counterclockwise too. What that means. We have a big counterclockwise motion mothership right above us. scared, guys. It's fine though. It's gonna go just to our northeast. Here comes a cool wind. Feel the cool air blowing in. Air, you feel it? Here comes the wind. Alright, get underneath there. Get underneath there. Look at that swirling cloud up there, guys. Rain over there.
What are you doing?
I was, then I came outside to look at the weather. Because I love weather. You ever see that swirling cloud right there? Alright guys, I just had about a ping pong sized piece of hail hit the ground. It's coming down right now. Here goes another piece. Oh boy. Alright, that's the size of a pea. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Ow, that one hit me. Here, take this up and put it in the freezer. Come here. Come here, Jake. Jake, come here. We'll put this in the freezer. Or put it in the freezer. Hurry. I'm going to catch more. Oh, I should have been time-lapsing this. Crazy weather just blew in out of nowhere. I'm right here, buddy. Jakey, you're fine. It's like sunny, but not. Jakey, you're fine, buddy. I'm right here. It's just rain. It's okay. Look, the clouds are out right there. You're okay. Calm down. Yeah. This weather got nuts in 10 seconds. Oh, it's cold rain. Look over here. It's darkest. Well, not super dark. Over here we got blue sky. Look at this cloud above me. Holy moly. It is moving. That one's twirling. Look at those trees. Jake, stay. Jake, go back in. You're alright. I'm okay. You're okay. Calm down. He's freaking out because I'm outside and he's inside. What's wrong? Jake, we're fine. It's just a rainstorm, buddy. Clouds are crazy, guys. It is getting me soaked up. Stop, you're fine. It's just a rainstorm. It's already going to be past us pretty soon. Look at over that way, guys. How crazy, just like one house over, it's dark. And right here above me, there's blue skies. Kinda. With that big old cloud right there. That was that mothership that I just showed a little bit ago. Just blew right over the top of me. The hail, I think, went to my northeast a little bit. Caught one piece of hail though. I'd say it was a little bit smaller than a golf ball. Biggest piece of hail I've seen in a long time. Ooh, look at that cloud moving, guys. That rain is cold. Look how wet I am. But it's worth it. I love storms. You gonna come out here and play in the rain? But it's wet, it's very wet. Look at that cloud movement, look how fast it is. Go run to the end of the driveway and back.
No.
It's just rain now.
I'm not doing that. What?
I'll go with you, come on. The storm already passed us to our side. Whee! Ooh, it's big old fat rain. Oh, look at that way, guys. Look how dark it is. And that was that big mothership that was swirling over me a little bit ago. That's craziness. Guys, right here. Look at that big thunder. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. I love it. Look how the clouds are going two different directions right up above me. Jake hates it, but I love it. I wouldn't put us in danger, buddy. If I knew we were in danger, I wouldn't have us out here. The storm is just to our east. That way. We're fine over this way. See, we're almost in the blue skies. Look at those clouds up there. Look how much they're moving, Jakey. Isn't that cool? Looks like it's a big old wave. And that's not even time lapse, guys. Mommy's probably worried about me because I didn't text her back. Yeah, we're under. Isn't that sweet, guys? I don't know if you guys like storms, but I love them. That's super awesome. Yeah, I'm very wet. That's okay. Look at that one. Looks like a big old wave up there. Alright, let's go back inside now. I don't want the wind to knock the branch down on us. Hope you guys enjoyed the little storm. I know I did. I could stay out here longer if I could, but Jake doesn't want to be all wet. One last look.
Oh, this is whoa, water.
And then blue sky, darkness, super dark. Yeah, if we go over this way, we probably won't even get rained on.
Yeah.
Yep, we're fine here.
That's fine.
It's just the rain blowing off the trees. Feels good out here now though. Cold wind blew through. Probably dropped it about 20 degrees. It was just 90. Jake, your heart is racing. You're okay. I just had my camera dried off from swimming. Wind's blowing to our southeast right now. See the flag? Yeah, we're at the end of it though. The storm's over to our northeast tomorrow.
I like this water. I like this puddle.
Talk to you guys later. Peace. One love.